Hello, I'm Ronell and with me is Raymond and we're from FabLab Bicol. So today we're going to show you how we do maintenance with our CNC machine. Let's go! So this is our CNC room and here is our CNC machine. So Mon, what model is this CNC machine?
The machine is Shopbot PRS Alpha 9648.
Oh, so I see. So now as you can see, we have just used this Shopbot yesterday and there's a lot of dirt around. So this is the right time to show you guys how we do maintenance with this machine.
We need first is grease, duster, screw, wrench, spudge, level bar, tissue, dustpan and broom, and last is vacuum cleaner.
But first, before we begin, let's wear our aprons.
First, we have to remove all loose dirt and dust from the work area. Before applying the new grease, we have to remove the previously applied grease that have been mixed with dust. We can use sponge to further remove excess grease, and if available, we also apply degreaser for the hard to remove grease. After degreasing, we apply new grease. According to the Shopbot manual, we need to apply a bearing size amount of grease every 6 inches on the rails and all other metal-to-metal contacts. Tighten bolts and screws. Bolts and screws loosen from time to time due to machine vibrations. We also check if the entire machine is leveled and square. We check the connection of the terminals and see if there are loose and corroded contacts. We also check if the vacuum waste bin is already full. If it is full, we dispose the collected dirt. Once cleaning is done, we energize and check if the machine is working properly. First, we run the home command and see if everything is working. We also check if the vacuum is doing its job, and we engage the spindle to check the fitting dates.
So our maintenance and cleaning is already done. So our Shopbot is ready for the next project.